everybody, Mike here with Senior Support's YouTube channel. And the thing I'm doing today is exploring the box I got in the mail to do my DNA testing from Ancestry.com. And I thought I would just let you know what's in the box. First thing we have is a set of instructions. And you have your collection bag. It fits inside of the shipping box that they send. Little shipping box. And then the collection itself actually goes into this little test tube. Sorry, it's a little bit bright in here. I've got a lot of light. So I'll go over the directions with you. Next to the test tube is this, it's called a stabilizing solution. You mix it with your saliva, and it goes into the collection bag, which goes into the shipping box. So let's take a look at these directions real quick. Alright, these are from, this DNA test is from Ancestry. I'm not getting paid to do this. I just think it's something a lot of seniors are thinking about. If they haven't already done this, is have their DNA tested and find out exactly where their ancestry comes from. So the first thing it says is that go to Ancestry. You can see it. I've got it up on the screen right here, if you can see that. Activate your account. You can get a free account. That's not a problem. Once you get your sample taken, you get ready to send it in, you need to enter your 15-digit activation code, which comes with the kit. It's right here on the back of the directions. It's your activation code. You have to have it because that's what tracks your sample and keeps it separate from everybody else's. So fill up the tube with saliva up to where the line is. You take the cap of the collection tube and screw it on, and when you push down on it, it'll release the stabilizing solution. Shake the tube for 5 seconds. Put the tube in the collection bag, put the collection bag in the shipping box, and mail it off to the address already on the box. Last I remember, it was taking around 6 weeks to get samples back. So I guess I'll find out where my ancestry leads to. I already know quite a bit about my mom's side. Her test came back like 87% from the England in that area. I forget where the rest of it was, but it was no American Indian. We thought we for sure had Native American Indian in our family on mom's side. We did not. Okay, so when I get those results back, I'll finish my test and share it with you. If I can't get enough saliva for the tube, I'll borrow some from Daisy, our dog. See if I come back part German Shepherd. Just joking. Alright, till next time. See y'all later.